Now, this video is completely unrelated to me doing my daily study vlogs and achieving daily target. So, if you're someone who follows me for my daily study vlogs, you can totally skip this video. This video is not for that. Today, I want to talk about NEET PG and the word rat race that people use for it. Recently, lots of things have been going in the medical field, be it the Kolkata case or the recent incidences of violence against doctors, and all this does get to you कि ultimately why are you even struggling, आप क्यों इतनी देर पढ़ रहे हो. At a certain age when most of your friends who have studied half of you and they are earning more than you, maybe thrice or four times, it does get to you कि why am I even struggling so much, right? A little bit about me. I'm someone who never really liked studying medicine. I got into MBBS with my 12th. I went to Kota, I prepared for it, and मेरा first time में clear हो गया था. I got some rank of around 2000 2500 something. Yeah, I think it was less than 3000 basically. I don't remember exactly. And I secured a very good percentage in class 12th. But throughout the MBBS, I never got that thrill. You know कि medicine पढ़ करके बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है या फिर I'm loving it. I entered third year. I studied ENT as my first subject. उस समय lockdown था. And at that time I really liked it and I felt like कि ठीक है अभी clinical subjects start हो रहे हैं, so I'm going to love the whole process. But somehow, you know, that thrill that I never got from medicine. I reached final year, and final year was a struggle as it is for almost everyone, almost every medico out there. And as I reached towards the end of my final year, the exams were so distressing that somehow I convinced myself that I'm not going to run for the PG race during my internship, and I'm going to maybe take a break and maybe I'll not do PG at all. So I was someone who had just given up on the thought of doing PG, not because I was scared of studying so much. ठीक है वो तो पढ़ना ही पड़ता है, but because I hated the toxicity and the hierarchy system that exists in medical colleges. I honestly hate it. I hate it. So I just explored for a few months, and it was nice. I tried new things, and I also worked at a private space, and I did sort of a fellowship. There I realized that okay, medicine is not that bad. Like the field that I was working in, I saw the patients उस field के, and I saw how making the diagnosis works, and later on जाके आपकी life कैसी दिखती है. So it felt good, and I was able to diagnose the patients, and I was able to prescribe them the treatments. Of course, I was under my senior. Mind this, this was no sort of non-academic JRship or something, because I was not interested in doing that at all. And of course, I'm extremely thankful to my mentor, because it was because of her only that I redeveloped my passion for medicine. And while working there for the first time, I felt like कि नहीं, medicine इतना बुरा नहीं है. Now I am a first generation doctor in my family. मेरी family में दूर दूर तक कोई doctor नहीं है. No one is a doctor in my family. इधर maternal side, paternal side कोई भी नहीं है. So I never knew कि ये जो गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज की जो ये टॉक्सिसिटी है और ये जो हायरार्की सिस्टम है, इन सब से बाहर निकल के आगे जा कर के एक अच्छी दुनिया एग्जिस्ट करती है, where people are earning good. Now these doctors, you won't find them posting on social media, because of course I think ये हमारा जनरेशन है जो ज़्यादा सोशल मीडिया यूज़ कर रहा है. वो लोग का जनरेशन आई थिंक इतना सोशल मीडिया यूज़ नहीं करता है. एंड ऑल्सो दे आर वेरी बिजी, दे हैव सच hectic schedules and all, and giving quality care to the patients are happy, or even as a doctor you are leading a good lifestyle, a nice luxurious lifestyle. What else do you want? एंड ठीक है चलो, मटीरियलिस्टिक फैक्टर्स तो आई एम पुटिंग असाइड, बट माई मेन कंसर्न वॉज कि मैं जो कर रही हूँ मुझे उसमें मज़ा आना चाहिए. आई शुड रियली लाइक माई वर्क, एंड मुझे MBBS में नहीं आया मज़ा, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक ऑफकोर्स यू हैड फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल, तो तुम चिल विल कर लेते हो, बट the excitement of going daily to your workplace and everything, that was missing. And when I entered that private setup, and when I saw कि real life में ऐसे things exist करती है, that changed my perspective and that motivated me to consider NEET PG. उससे पहले I was like मुझे करना ही नहीं है. So I have not given NEET PG also अभी तक. I think I'll be giving it for the first time only next year. But the thing is, I also want to tell you कि हर एक का mental space अलग अलग है. If you're someone who doesn't like medicine and is preparing for PG, it is going to be very difficult for you, because you're working for something and you're working extremely hard for something जो तुमको खुशी भी नहीं दे रहा है. So just ask yourself and सोचो कि ऐसा कौन सा ब्रांच था दैट यू रियली लाइक्ड ड्यूरिंग द होल ऑफ योर MBBS. नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस से वी आर नॉट एक्सपोज्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने मेरे इलेक्टिव्स में आई चोज रेडियो, सो आई वाज नॉट एक्सपोज टू डर्मा एट ऑल. ठीक है. सो देर आर सो मेनी एनेस्थीसिया एंड ऑल्सो, ठीक है, यू गो टू द OT एंड ऑल, बट इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं रहता है. आई वुड से कि जस्ट सर्च अबाउट इट and have a branch in your mind. They say that the branch chooses you, and I feel like ki, yeah, I hope I get a decent rank so that I get my dream branch. But it's very hard to work towards something which you don't like. So it is going to be better for you if you develop that passion for medicine, and if you feel like कि ठीक है, there is this 2 to 3 subjects जो अच्छे हैं जिसमें आगे जा करके there is a lot of scope and you will enjoy doing it. One wants work-life balance these days. I'm one of those, but there are so many people जिनको blood देख के ही thrill आता है. They can't even think about taking any other branch other than surgery. Right, so it ultimately it all comes down to the fact that the branch, your work should make you happy. That's it. And अभी I'm telling myself कि ठीक है, if I get selected तो 3 साल की वो रेसिडेंसी और टॉक्सिसिटी बस निकल जाए. I'll just get immune to that and I'll be like ठीक है, बस निकालना है. Although a huge part of me is still scared of entering the residency, क्योंकि I'm telling this again, I hate the hierarchy that exists over there. I have not grown up in such a condition till 12th, so मेरे लिए it's very difficult कि बार बार जा कर के surrender करो in front of your professors and all, and you have to feed their fragile ego. So yeah, this is my story where I'm telling you guys how I convinced myself into entering this, you can say, the rat race for NEET PG. But and see, ultimately every profession has its pros and cons. इसमें मेहनत बहुत ज़्यादा है बेसिकली हमारे वाले में, एंड द आउटपुट it comes late. So as young generation, as a 25-year-old, it does come to your mind ki why am I wasting my youth and everything. That was the reason that I decided to take a break and explore. And I don't want to run in this marathon ki abhi UG kiya, फिर MBBS किया, फिर अभी तुरंत PG करो. No, do whatever suits you. किसी का NEET clear हो जाता है with internship, किसी का NEET clear होता है after 2 years of drop after class 12th. So everyone has their own timeline. You can't be comparing yourself to anybody else. At last, I would like to say कि if you are seeing only the negative side of healthcare on social media, trust me, this profession has great things जो तुम्हें शायद उन 40-50 year old doctors से मिल करके पता चलेगा, maybe who are not on social media, but when you'll meet them in real life and you'll look at their lives, and then you'll feel like कि नहीं, this profession is rewarding. You love your work, good financial independence, and yes, it also gives you with a lot of respect in society.